The new factory will be building the Raider series products, which are really focused on the emergency replacement market and the entry-level price points in the industry.
What differentiates Raider from other rooftop units in the market is that it was built for the emergency replacement market. It's value without compromise. It's 100% stocked in all of our commercial warehouses. It's simple to service, has a lightweight design, and is compatible with one of the industry's most common footprints, dating back almost 30 years. Replacement applications, you don't require an adapter curb, and the installer is able to reuse utility connections that were already there. This ultimately saves time and money for our contractors.
One of the reasons that we're investing in emergency replacement is that we see a gap in the market, and that's something that we feel like with our equipment, with Raider, we have the opportunity to fill that gap and satisfy more of the market needs.